Ethical values is a sense of responsibility in the children we serve. We seek to develop children who not only perform academically but also demonstrate respect, empathy, and civility in their daily lives, inclusivity, and equal opportunity. Mactan Korea Child Education Team is committed to fulfilling the playing role for all students, regardless of their socio-economic circumstances. Our mission is providing equal access to quality education, ensuring that every child in Mactan has the chance to reach their full potential. Community engagement. We strive to be an integral part of the Mactan community, working closely with family schools and local stakeholders to create a supportive and nurturing environment for our students. We believe that collaboration is essential to achieving our vision. Volunteer empowerment. The dedication and passion of our volunteer teachers and students are our mission. We are committed to providing them with necessary resources and work to continue making a positive impact on the lives of Mactan youth. Mactan Korea Child Education Team is driven by the belief that education can be a powerful for change. And our mission and mission reflect our commitment to empowering the next generation with knowledge, skills, and values that will transform their lives and their community for the better.
From royal families, she said, but they might still not be true princesses. You must marry a true princess. How should I be able to tell who is and who isn't a true princess? The prince want to know through me, my son. I should find you a true princess to marry, said his mother. In the days that followed, the queen sent out messengers north, near, and far to make it known that the prince was looking for a princess to marry. Any young ladies of royal blood who want to be considered as a possible bridge.
Taller, B. Tallest, C. More tall. Pabalik ka ng question.
Ayun na!
Hey!
Ayun na! Ako. Sa balik na ako.
Game.
Ayaw! Wala po, ibalik.
Question naman bubuka. She is blank than her sister. A. Taller, B. Tallest, C. More tall.
A.
Say A. Say B.
Pwede ka dahil kung score mo sakto.
B mong kalay.
Kami na dyan yung kit. Kami na doon yung kit. Gano'n ko? Ay, isa gamitin mo. Anong tuloy? Wala.
Say C.
Ay, may sasa. Wala pala. Kami sasa.
Jasper.
A, may dyan para.
Ang answer kay A.
Oh!
Ruler.
Alam, daw mo kay A ka? Good job. Ako. Ako! Ranyin! Wala si Junkin! Kanina na naka-answer na lang. Wala, tulog na ka Junkin na mo!
Kumaro ko.
Tulog na ka Junkin!
So, Miss Piling.
Wala na nga namin! Tulog! Ako! Nawa ka na hindi. Ako!
Ayaw mo yung tulog! Wala mo to eh. Hanggang si Baby. I have blank apple. A, B, and C, dot. Say A. Say B.
Bili ko B.
B kay Sam. C. What is the antonym of beginning? A. Start. B. Finish. C. Intake. What is the antonyms of beginning? A. Start. B. Finish. C. Intake. Say A. Inside. B.
The correct answer is
The answer is B.
Para yun. Ay, masih katawa lagi. Serious ng Daisher, oy. Pagdali mo, eh. Zoom, gali, zoom, gali, zoom, gali, zoom. Drrrr. Wala pa, last pa.